Hello friends, my name is Neelkanta Mohite. Welcome to our video lecture on dynamics. Last lecture we have studied uniform acceleration motion, the basic concept on uniform acceleration motion and one problem on uniform acceleration motion. In this lecture we continue second problem. A particle starts with an initial velocity of 2.5 meter per second and uniformly accelerates at the rate of 0.5 meter per second square. Determine the displacement in 2 seconds. Time required to attain the velocity of 7.5 meter per second and the distance traveled when it attains a velocity of 7.5 meter per second. In this question, a particle starts with an initial velocity of 2.5 meter per second, means a particle initial velocity is u is equal to 2.5 meters per second and uniformly accelerate. On that word we can guess that is problem on uniform acceleration motion. This particle uniformly accelerate at the rate of the 0.5 meter per second, means acceleration is given a is equal to 0.5 meter per second square and we have to calculate displacement in 2 seconds when particle moves with velocity 2.5 meter per second and with uniformly accelerate with 0.5 meter per second square. Displacement means distance travel in 2 seconds we have to calculate, and next time required to attain the velocity of 7.5 meter per second, means initial velocity is 2.5 meter per second and final velocity is 7.5 meter per second. Time required to reach that velocity we have to calculate, and the distance traveled when it attain a velocity of 7.5 meter per second, means पार्टिकल को अपनी वेलोसिटी 2.5 मीटर पर सेकंड से लेकर उसकी वेलोसिटी 7.5 मीटर पर सेकंड जाने तक जितना डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल करना पड़ेगा विथ यूनिफॉर्म एक्सेलरेशन 0.5 मीटर पर सेकंड स्क्वायर, वो हमें डिस्टेंस निकालना है. लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द नोट डाउन गिवन. Initial velocity u is equal to 2.5 meter per second. Uniform acceleration a is 0.5 meter per second square. We have to calculate displacement s is equal to what in time is equal to 2 seconds. Time required t we have to calculate to attain velocity 7.5 meter per second and distance traveled d when it attain velocity 7.5 meter per second. Using Newton's second equation we can find displacement. By observing given we can guess that equation second is useful for calculate the displacement. We have initial velocity, we have time, we have acceleration and we and time. Second equation is Newton's second equation is s is equal to ut plus half at square. Put the given in this equation. Initial velocity 2.5 into time 2 plus half into 0.5 is the acceleration into time 2 square. From solving this equation we got the answer 6 meter, means displacement or distance travel in 2 seconds is 6 meter. Now we are going to use first equation of Newton's motion. V is equal to u plus at. In that equation, we have final velocity which is given in second condition. We have initial velocity, we have acceleration, and we have to find time t. Put the given data in that equation. We got the time t is equal to 10 second, means 7.5 वेलोसिटी अटेन करने के लिए वो पार्टिकल को 10 सेकेंड लगेंगे. अब हमें ये निकालना है कि इनिशियल वेलोसिटी दी है 2.5 मीटर पर सेकेंड, फाइनल वेलोसिटी 7.5 मीटर पर सेकेंड अटेन करने के लिए उसको कितना डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल करना पड़ेगा. वी कैन यूज अनदर इक्वेशन ऑफ न्यूटन्स मोशन and find the displacement or distance have to travel that particle. We are going to using third motion equation of Newton. V square is equal to u square plus 2as. We have final velocity 7.5 square, initial velocity 2.5 square plus 2 into acceleration 0.5 into displacement. From solving this equation, we got the answer. Displacement or distance is equal to 50 meter. Now we are started third problem. A car is traveling at a constant speed v0 is equal to 100 km per hour on the level position of the road. When the 6% tan theta is equal to 6 by 100 given inclined is encountered, the car accelerate at the constant rate g into sin theta. Determine the speed of car 10 seconds after passing point A, and when this displacement or distance travel 100 meter. In that problem, this diagram is given. First upon, we should understand what is asking in the question. A car is traveling at a constant speed 100 km per hour. ये कार अपनी constant speed से रोड पे चल रही है. When the 6% inclined, when at a point A, car reach at a point A, the 6% inclination is given here. Due to that inclination, after that point, car reduce its speed or deaccelerate due to that inclination. That inclination is given g into sin theta. Due to that inclination, car gets deaccelerate with the uniform retardation. Retardation means acceleration is increasing in velocity. Retardation means decrease in velocity. पॉइंट ए के आगे से ये रिटार्डेशन यूनिफॉर्मली हो रहा है. फ्रॉम पॉइंट ए, कार इज हैविंग कांस्टेंट डीएक्सेलरेशन एंड एट पॉइंट ए स्पीड ऑफ द कार इज 100 km per hour. Now we consider that A is a origin, means initial velocity of that point is 100 km per hour, and we have to calculate that velocity of car at 10 second after passing point A, means यहाँ से 10 सेकंड बाद वो वहाँ कितनी वेलोसिटी मिलेगी ये निकालना है। एंड दूसरा पॉइंट दिया है उसमें क्या निकालना है, डिस्प्लेसमेंट निकालना है। मतलब ए के बाद वो डिस्टेंस 100 मीटर ट्रैवल करेगा, तो वहाँ की वेलोसिटी पूछे। लेट्स स्टार्ट द प्रॉब्लम। यहाँ पर हमें वेलोसिटी का यूनिट कन्वर्जन करना पड़ेगा इन मीटर पर सेकेंड। वी कैन मल्टीप्लाई बाय 5/18 to given velocity in kilometer per hour. We get the answer 27.78 meter per second. That is unit conversion. Considering motion of car from point A, initial velocity u is equal to 27.78 meter per second. Means यहाँ की पॉइंट ए की वेलोसिटी, इनिशियल वेलोसिटी इज़ 100 किलोमीटर पर आवर। उसको यूनिट कन्वर्जन करके वी गॉट द आंसर 27.78 मीटर पर सेकेंड। कांस्टेंट एक्सेलरेशन इज गिवन, ए इज इक्वल टू जी इंटू साइन थीटा, दैट माइनस साइन ड्यू टू टी एक्सेलरेशन। मतलब वेलोसिटी, if velocity is increasing we can say acceleration, if deceleration is given velocity is decreasing, that's why that minus sign is required to consider. For small values of theta, sin is equal to tan theta, means theta अगर small हो we can write the sin theta is equal to tan theta, and tan theta is equal to 6/100 is given in problem. Now in acceleration we know the value of g, gravity 9.81 meter per second square into sin theta is equal to, we can put that value 6/100. By solving this we get the acceleration minus 0.5886 meter per second square. Now by this given we can find the solution of the problem. To find first solution, speed of the car 10 सेकेंड आफ्टर पार्किंग पॉइंट ए, मीन्स यहाँ से अगर 10 सेकेंड कार ने ट्रैवलिंग किया है तो वो कितना डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल किया है ये निकालना है, और साथ में यहाँ की वेलोसिटी निकालनी है, फाइनल वेलोसिटी. नाउ वी आर यूजिंग द इक्वेशन v is equal to u plus at. We have the initial velocity 27.78 plus acceleration minus 0.5886 into time t. We get the final velocity 21.894 meter per second. Means कार को ए से 10 सेकंड बाद ट्रैवल करने पर जो वेलोसिटी आएगी वो रहेगी 21.894 मीटर पर सेकेंड, विच इज़ रिटार्डेशन और डी एक्सेलरेशन. सेकेंड पॉइंट, स्पीड ऑफ द कार व्हेन displacement is 100 from point A. When after cross the point A, car travels displacement or distance 100 meter. Then we have to calculate velocity of that point. Again we can use the Newton's third equation, v square is equal to u square plus 2as. We know the initial velocity 27.78 square plus 2 into minus 0.5886 into displacement is 100. We can get the velocity of that point after travel the distance 100 meter. We get the answer 25.573 meter per second. Thank you.